who'll go home with the points here today. And we're off. This should be an entertaining game. Played wide. The goalkeeper eases the pressure. Keeper sends it long. This then how the home team is lining up. Off we go. Let's hope for some goals then today. Played in field.
This player is taking on the opposition.
He must score. Easy decision here. It's a goal kick. Let's see how close that one was to going in. Launched upfield by the keeper. Well intercepted. Oh, well timed.
He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
Passed inside. And he's given...
Oh, it's a clear chance.
Shoots!
He's off the mark for his new team. A great goal. That's his first goal for the club.
So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal's going to affect this game. Oh, he did really well there.
He's got the ball at his feet.
And he shoots.
He's put a shot well wide of the post.
Well, let's take another look at that. Oh, well taken by the goalkeeper. Using the width here.
He's cut it back inside. Great dribbling. Fancies his chances from here.
Not a good challenge. It's with the striker. Oh, he must score.
And he hits it. Well, the keeper was well beaten. The shot's on.
I'm not sure the goalkeeper would have had that. And we're entering stoppage time now. So after 45 minutes, it's half-time.
The manager's decided to make one small change to his squad.
Lovely passing here.
He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
It's with the striker. The defender regains possession, and now they'll try and break.
Oh, determined challenge there. This team look eager for more goals. It's looking likely they'll get...
Can he get it? Oh, it's a penalty. So, which way is he going to put it?
score from the penalty spot.
Let's take another look at that.
And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway.
Oh, a chance now to turn defence into great chance here.
Oh, he did really well there.
He must score, and that was close. Not much in it there at all. Right. The defender then back on the ball.
He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
Has a dig. Good effort there.
Let's see how close that one was to going in.
Cleared forward by the goalkeeper.
What a well-timed tackle.
Striker's ball. He must score, surely.
Well, surely all he can do now is grab a consolation goal. There's not much time left, and it seems... Oh, it's a clear chance. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Oh, it's a clear chance.
Good save by the goalkeeper.
And he goes for goal.
Confident goalkeeping there. Forward from the keeper. It's with the striker. It's with the defender now.
What a well-timed tackle. He loves to go past players with the ball.
Well taken by the goalkeeper.
And there we have it. Fantastic performance from this side as they book them.
Great opportunity to score from this free kick. He should have done better from there, really. This is within range then. Well taken by the goalkeeper. Great chance here then. Will he shoot? He must score. It's a throw-in. Can they make something of this? Good block there.
Now, what can he do from here?
Can he get a shot in? And he stayed onside. This is within range then. Reina, good save. Let's see what comes of this then. Confident goalkeeping there.
And that one swung into the box. And here's a chance. He's cut it back inside. Aim towards a penalty spot.
Gets the header in.
Now, what can he do from here? Whipped in.
Whipped in with pace.
Heads towards goal.
Pulls the trigger.
Inches away from goal.
And that's into the box.
And that's lofted upfield.
And that's into the box. Tries the header. Ooh, not the best effort there. Corner taken long. Off his head. Reina saves.
Aim towards a penalty spot. Lovely header.
Not the best header there. And that's into the box. Gets the header in.
Well, the keeper was well beaten.
Gets the header in. Can they make it count?
And that one swung in.
Great chance here.
Has a crack. Oh, how unlucky. He's off the mark for his new team. A great goal.
Left the goalkeeper with no chance. Oh, confidently taken and made no mistake in putting it away. Back off the post. So, which way is he going to put it? Oh, good penalty. So much pressure. Left the goalkeeper with no chance.